Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to add game profile on TUF Gaming AX4200. Let's begin! So, I'm currently on the admin dashboard. Now, if you don't know how to get into that admin dashboard of your router, I would suggest to watch my basic setup tutorial and creating new network tutorial. But after we have done that, we can simply head into our, not Game Boost, but OpenNAT. And here, you have to simply scroll down a little and you can find our game profiles here. As you can see, there are plenty of built-in games to choose from. There are lots of games to choose from. And in order to add a new one, all you have to do is simply hit Add button. Now we can go. As you can see, we can search for games if you set it to manual and select few protocols, but you probably want to select some games from this list to have your settings optimized at start. You probably want to go with something very heavy like some Call of Duty or like Valorant and all of that, but I'm going to be a very OG player and I'm going to just choose Minecraft. Hell yeah! Now in here we can enable and uncheck few platforms. I'm only playing on PC, so I'm going to uncheck all of other platforms. And finally we can choose our client. We only have two. This is the phone, which obviously won't really work, and this is the computer I'm recording on right now, and this is the computer I'm going to playing my Minecraft on. So I will go with service name and I will now simply go with OK. And as you can see, our game profile is now done. It's working for our computer with both protocols, and every time we open Minecraft, it should enable and give us better information, better quality of Wi-Fi and all of that. So anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.